Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Ridgid subcompact brushless half-inch drill driver and impact driver combo kit. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers platform and subscribes likes. So help out this channel by doing so. The R9780. So this is the subcompact series Ridgid 18-volt brushless half-inch drill driver. You got all metal gears for extended durability, 24P position clutch ring for ultimate precision when driving, brushless impact driver. You got quick release hex collets, spring ejection for easy loading and removal, high torque output, 0 to 1,800 inch-pounds of torque. It's brushless motor technology, delivers more runtime, more power, longer motor life. Interchangeable belt hook for and bit holder. Install either on each side. Additional customization includes 18-volt subcompact brushless drill driver, 18-volt subcompact impact driver, two 2-amp-hour batteries, 18-volt charger, 2 belt hooks, bit holders, 4 screws. 2 driving bits, contractor band, operator's manual. First thing out of the box, we got the battery. So this is a lithium 2-amp-hour battery. So basically this is a squeeze type trigger. Squeeze and release. CS2046 R9780 2-amp-hour 36 watt-hours. You can leave it pressed and it still stays on. So this is a nice feature on Ridgid. I personally I never had a Ridgid tool, so these are fairly new batteries for me. And then same thing with this. The charger. So this is just like a dock charger basically. Red light and blue light. For charging temperature, it does tell you the specifics here of the battery. You got negative battery, plus battery, and then you got T1, T2. So you got 4 different connectors there. It says charge full, temperature delay. You get a little temperature reading. You get an error there. So it tells you exactly right there what it's doing. So, all right, we got some instructions. We got the drill driver. Oh boy, this is a really compact drill driver. So it's really small. It's actually almost the same size as the battery there. So actually, it doesn't feel that bad. It feels like a lot like Ryobi, a little bit more compact. So there, it does feel like a Ryobi tool. This feels like it's a little bit smaller. So you got 1 and 2 speeds, 1 speed, 2 speeds, 1 speed, 2 speeds there, and then you got a clutch selector. You got 22 clutch settings plus drilling mode. We'll leave it at drilling mode there. Then you got a plastic clutch, a metal with plastic clutch. You got a nice trigger, obviously very similar to the Milwaukee triggers, but from the way it feels. You got brushless. You do got a nice LED there at the bottom. So really nice LED there at the bottom, and you got the connectors. You got 2 different connectors: 0 to 450 slash 0 to 1,750 RPM. Made in China. You got serial number there at the bottom. Rubber stops there. Same thing with here. So nice rubber stops. It does say subcompact on the back. This is metal, by the way. Alright, you got the impact driver. Wow, this is really small. I mean, this thing's really small, like smaller than the 12 volts. That's crazy. That's my finger there. It's almost as big as my finger. The subcompact's obviously metal. You got nice rubber here. So this gray part or dark gray is rubber. It does feel a lot like, I feel that this is actually bigger than this. A nice trigger, a nice Milwaukee trigger. It feels like Milwaukee. It's not Milwaukee, but it feels like Milwaukee. You got a nice forward and reverse. Nice metal casing. You got a collet there, a quick release collet. We'll have to test that. Same thing here. You got 2 different connectors. R8723, 18 volts. 0 to 2,900 per minute RPM, and then the second speed you got 0 to 4,200 per minute. You got made in China. You got serial number there at the bottom. Nice rubber stops. You got a place for the belt clip. Does tell you some warnings there. Nothing on the top. You got no speed selector on this. I believe this is just a variable speed through the trigger. All right, we got the belt clips. The bit holders here, you can set them on either side. Belt clips. accessories here for the drivers. Pretty nice tool bag. Really digging the Ridgid color tool bag. All right, so let's turn this on. Let's test this impact driver. See what it sounds like. Oh, this is really smooth. It's very smooth and very quiet. You can see the fan there. I really like that. Lots of air movement through the bag. And pretty much. No, we'll try number 9, so we'll see what that is. Now let's take it off. Let's put it on drilling mode and take this off. It's a 1/2 inch drill bit. So it's locked, so you hear the clicking. Oh, these are really quiet. Alright, let's do it one more time. I don't know what happened there. What? 1, 2, 3, go. So I say it works pretty good. That was my error right there. So I guess when you click it back, that's when it releases it. So usually it's the other way around. I have a 1-inch spade bit. We're going to be drilling a hole. That's speed number 2, by the way. Look through it. It's just really like this little drill. Really nice, light, compact. It's a nice little impact driver. Really powerful little guy. I'll say it's a little more like a 3-inch lag or something, 2.5. And then we have an adapter here. We have a socket adapter, it's a 1/2 inch. Go. This is a nice little set. Definitely check it out. This is a nice little set for somebody that's going to be having this tool pretty much all day. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make sure to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes, so help this channel by doing so.